Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick stock market update on the market overall in general, as well as the plays for the week. Also have a bonus play on there. We're going to break down CEI and their technical analysis to show you what the charts are telling us. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. So let's take a look at the S&P 500. We are currently still selling off. But the good news, in my opinion, is that I think that's going to start to slow down, and we will start making a recovery sometime later in the week, if not early next week. So as you see here, we hit the support level, we bounced up, came back down, broke that SMA line, and it looks like we're about to hit that support level again. That's going to be the true test if we're going to bounce off it. It's looking like it's kind of forming a little double bottom here, and I think that we should push higher and maybe hopefully get back above that red SMA line overall for the market. So it's kind of little false breakout here, kind of a bull trap, I guess you can almost call it. But we want to see that support level here. If we were going to bounce off, that's going to be the true test. If we go below that and we can't hold, you're going to see a lot more downside in the market. So roughly about 43.24 is what you want to try to stay around and bounce off of. All right, so now we're going to look at our plays for the week. We're going to look at GNOG, and we did break below that red SMA line. However, we are very, very undervalued at this time, so I think that we're going to bounce easily back above that and get into the 18s. Fairly simple, maybe even back up to 19 over the next several days, and then maybe hopefully we can go and push back up and get above $20 again and hold there and start making our way back up towards higher, maybe towards the mid 20s. But I think if we can get above 18 and hold, then we should slowly hopefully get above 20. And if we can stay there and kind of consolidate around that level, that would be great, because when earnings comes out in I believe it's November for DraftKings, then that's going to send this thing higher, because I'm sure DraftKings earnings are going to be great with football season and everything going on. And you know that Golden Nugget does follow DraftKings now. Next up, we're going to look at Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA. And you see here, we are undervalued. So these plays that we talked about Sunday, now would really be the time to get in for the swing play, because we're undervalued, right? So sometimes you don't get to get in right away. You have to kind of let them see how they're going to play out. But kind of the same situation for Golden Nugget. It did fall down. It broke below the SMA line, broke below support. I feel that it's going to easily get back up here, but you want to get one candle close above that green EMA line to confirm that we're going to make that move back to the upside. But currently at about 384, we fell a lot lower than what I thought. I thought we'd stay around the 400 level, but we fell as low as 375. So that's given you a decent opportunity to buy, even if you get in here and sell at 400. That wouldn't be, depending on the amount of shares you get, wouldn't be a terrible swing. It'd be a safer bet for sure. All right, guys, next up is SOFI Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. This one's still in a bearish pattern. We're close to fair value. You kind of want to see if it's going to fall a little bit lower. I think we get down to maybe that 1638 level, and then that would be probably where you can buy in for a little bounce if it bounces off of that support level. So those are the three plays for the week. Let's take a look at CEI. And this one here has run up tremendously. I mean, the past month it's been just going up and up and up. And it hit 348 last night in pre-market. What I wanted to show everyone here is we are overvalued on the 180-day 4-hour. We did get a red Doge candle, which typically usually signals that we're about to get a pullback. Okay, and you see that these two lines here are about to meet and cross over. When these things cross, then that means that we are getting a lot of selling action. People are taking profits. Stop losses are kicking in. Got some shorts coming in and everything like that. So watch for a pullback if this, and see what happens. I don't know if it'll pull back just slightly and take off again. First level of support you want to watch is about 275. If it comes to 275, you want to see what it does. If it bounces up and comes higher, that's a good sign. If it goes below, if it hits 260, then you have potential for a lot more downside. But one thing that we talked about in the overview yesterday in the video that I made is we do have what it looks like forming a very, very large, and I mean large, cup and handle pattern here. So this is what to watch for on this pullback. Okay, is if it does pull back, it could go just as low as 275, but if it comes, let's say it comes all the way down here at these levels, you want it to maybe stay about midway through the cup to confirm that cup and handle. If it breaks below there, then it's not going to happen. But it can have a very sizable pullback and still make a large move to the upside on the longer term. So that's going to be interesting to see what happens in the future here. So I'm keeping an eye on it, but I wanted to let you know that we do have a red Doge candle. So that's something to consider. If you got in here and you rode it all the way up here, maybe take some profits or take all profits and then get back in at a later time whenever the momentum starts to come back and shift in the upward direction. But who knows? We may come out swinging and hit $5 today. I don't know. So anyway, guys, just wanted to let you know about all of these plays and give you an update on the technicals. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.